Hey guys, welcome to StudyNet. In this video, we will know about bioterrorism and also we will discuss biological agent and as well as we will know about how can we tackle bioterrorism. So this video is important for your exam perspective. If you are preparing for UPSC CSC or SSC CDS like exams, so its video is useful for you and as well as for general knowledge. But before the begin, if you haven't subscribed StudyNet yet, then subscribe it first and share this video with your friends. So without wasting time, let's begin. First of all, we will know about bioterrorism. What is bioterrorism? So bioterrorism is a weighing of war by an enemy country using biological agent is called bioterrorism. So for understanding this, we take an example. Suppose if a country intentionally release a biological agents like viruses, bacteria or any toxic agents for their enemy country, and so it will called bioterrorism. So it will create huge disaster for their enemy country, like it will destroy their animals. Okay, it will harmful for animal as well as human beings. So bioterrorism could be maybe spread through air. Okay, bioterrorism may be spread through air, water or even food. Okay, so this is bioterrorism. Now we will know about biological agents. So what is biological agent? So a biological agent is a bacterium, virus, protozoa, parasite or fungus that can be used purposefully as a weapon in a bioterrorism or a biological warfare. So biological agent means a bacteria, virus or any toxic agents. Okay, so biological agent is used in a biological warfare and in a bioterrorism. Okay, now we will know about the category of biological agents. So there are three types of category of biological agents. So it is category A, category B and category C. So in a category A, it is a higher risk biological agent in this category. So this category A is consist higher risk biological agents like anthrax, plague, smallpox, Ebola. So in a category A include the highest risk biological agents. Okay, and in a category B, it's a high lesser highest highest risk biological agent with compared to A. Okay, so in a category B, it consists of West Nile virus, hepatitis C, etc. Okay, so category A is a higher risk of biological agent and category B is a less higher risk biological agent with compared to category A. Okay, and now category C. So in a category C, it include the influenza, SARS, rabies, so yellow fever. So it is a moderate. Okay, so C category biological agent is a less harmful with compared to B category and A category. Okay, so these are some famous examples of biological terrorism. So first is infection anthrax were delivered to news media offices at Congress. World War One, Germany launched a biological sabotage by infecting horses and mules by glandular, and a 14th century where the bubonic plague was used to infiltrate enemy cities. So these are famous examples of biological terrorism. Now we will know why prefer bioterrorism, why country or any group prefer bioterrorism. So these are some reasons, like it is difficult to detect. So why it is difficult to detect? For understanding this, we take an example of COVID-19. So as we know, coronavirus is was originate from the China, but does China don't agree with this, but we don't know how it is intentionally did by China or not. But so this is because it is a bioterrorism, so it is difficult to detect. If suppose that if USA strike Iran by a nuclear weapon, okay, by a nuclear weapon, so so all over world can know it did by the USA. But in a biological case, in a biological terrorism case, bio it it is difficult to detect, and it is easy to produce, easy to determine, and it create panic among people, it create uncertainty in a state, and it illness onset, and it is easy to transport. So these are some reasons. So just because of bioterrorism preferred by the countries or the any terrorist group. Now the question arises that how can we tackle this bioterrorism? So we can take some steps towards it. So at a national level and at a global level, at a biodefense research. So what is that? So at a national level, we can coordinate and concern efforts of different government agencies. If we take an example of India, in case of India, they are agency like a RAW and IB. So we can establish coordination between them. Okay, we can developing and stockpiling vaccines and antimicrobial medicines. And at a global level, we can share information about the biological agents. Okay, so intelligence sharing and rapid detection, pathogen analysis, strengthening the biological weapon convention. As we know, biological weapon convention, India is signatory of biological weapons convention. Okay, remember that. So what is biological weapon convention? It is prohibited to any country to develop or use of biological weapons. Okay, and at a biodefense research, understanding the basic biological potential bioterrorism agents, it means that we can establish the institutions related to bioterrorism, we can which will deal specific about the bioterrorism. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you.